The Hindu festival Durga Puja is a 5-day celebration of goddess Durga's victory over the demon son Mahishasura, who is supposed to be killed only by a woman. The three devas, on knowing about the boon granted by Lord Brahma to Mahishasura, got together and created a powerful energy source, Devi Durga, in order to defeat the demon king. Ma Durga is believed to be the creator of the three most powerful Hindu gods, Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. In Shillong, the General Secretary of the Central Puja Committee, J.L. Das, while speaking to Media Plus, said that there are as many as 261 community and private Durga Pujas in the state of Meghalaya. Das also added that since the positivity rate in the state has decreased to a decent percentage and that most people have been vaccinated, Durga Puja is celebrated in a much bigger way than the previous year. He also informed that while also following the SOPs issued by the Health Department, a majority of the members of the Puja Committee, priests, volunteers and members of the faith have been vaccinated, and therefore he urged upon the public to not hesitate to get themselves vaccinated so as to enable Christmas to be celebrated in a grand way.
Due to pandemic, that last year festival was in the low eve, but this year because of the positivity rate of the corona cases are coming down, that's why we got some relaxation, but with some restrictions, some protocols, some guidelines, puja, everything. In Meghalaya, total 261 pandals are there. In Khashi Jaintia is 127, Garo is that 122, and in Jaintia is 14, including Natya. So far the Shillong is concerned, city is concerned, total 66 community puja pandals are there, and 8 that private puja. Private residents, there are some puja performing, but we used to count the community puja. So far the puja is concerned, that 100% puja performer, that visitors and those who are organizers, drum beaters, priests, all are fully vaccinated. Among the puja visitors, most are vaccinated, but we cannot say that 100% we cannot ensure you. But so far the organizer is concerned, all the members of the organizing committee, priests, drum beater, all are fully vaccinated. This is 2 doses they have taken. Without it, because we verified the document, and one of the conditionalities of the permission was that you have to be vaccinated. So far the protocol is concerned, that we ensure on behalf of the all puja committee that all puja committee will follow the COVID protocol in force, coupled with this as puja SOP and other guidelines given by the district administration to perform the puja. Say for example, that in every year that pandal, that without mask nobody will be allowed to enter. Those who are not wearing fully masks like this, all are not allowed, because our volunteers are there, mostly that women volunteer, ladies, they used to request the puja, please wear the mask.
Om Hosto Hotoa Golokona Om Hosto Hotoa Golokona. The Jubadibago মাসে শুক্লপক্ষে মহা নবম্যাং তীর্থ সর্বজনীন যথা কর্তব্য নাম